Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area in the night time during this pandemic corona on Lagoon Street and Raya Kuta Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Lagoon Street. So we will explore together how the situation at the moment in Lagoon Street on Saturday night. As we know together, at the central of Kuta, there is one area we call Ground Zero, and right there is the night bar. So we will see together how the situation at the moment right there. Okay guys, you can see right side. Yeah, this is the Legian Hotel. It's look busy and a lot more bike and car parking right there. That is good. Okay, now we continue driving on Lagoon Street. You see, on the sidewalk there is a lot of people walk around, and there is live music there at the front of the hotel. It looks so busy, isn't it? That's good. You see the hotel left side, the one Legian, and some people there. Oh, I'm really happy to see that. It means like Bali will pick up soonly. Yeah, I'm gonna say like if you see the right side and left side, there is a lot of shop closed. It's normal because now I took this video around 10 p.m. and all the shop is closed. Legian is the most famous street in Kuta area. And now we are nearby Ground Zero, where there is a lot of night bar right there. And also tonight we will explore how the station in Ground Zero area, and I will make video on the monument and some night bar. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Yeah, now we reach Ground Zero and Monument. This is the heart of Kuta. We take a stop and we take a look. Yeah, this is the monument of Ground Zero. Looks so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we're going in and take a look inside. It's very busy. You see, it looks so busy. Saturday night, always busy in this area. But a few months ago was very quiet because was Bali on lockdown. You see the monument? It's very beautiful, isn't it? You see at the front? There is VIP bar. It looks so busy and lots of people there. And this is engine room. Let's take a look inside a little bit. Oh, very strong music and lots of people here. That's good. You see? So this is the situation at the moment in Lagoon Street, the heart of Kuta. It looks so busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people there. Oh, looks so busy. So many people around here. That's really good. VIP night bar. There's also lots of people there. And actually in this area also very strong music. So loud this area. Okay guys, now we continue driving to have a look how the station at the moment in Raya Kuta Street. But in this area you see together is lots of people, very massive. in Saturday night in this area. There's a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk and a lot of car parking around here. Is I gonna say like Bali starting wake up again. Left side there is Apache and Paddy's Pub, and behind Paddy's Pub there is big nightclub we call Bounty Club. They are open now and look so busy. That's good. And very strong music. You see? So many people around here, isn't it? That's good. That's really good. This restaurant is also open. A lot of car parking left side. Just so many people, so many car, and so many motorbike today. That's what's really good. And I make this video because on request from my viewers, they request to explore the situation in Lagoon Street at the night time. You see at the front right side? Oh yeah, there is some shop still open. That's really good. Unbelievable, there is still a lot of shop is open this time. But that is really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Lagoon Street. So what do you think? It's very busy, isn't it? Okay, now we turn right to explore Raya Kuta Street. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in Raya Kuta Street. And also we see together how the situation beside the beach. Okay guys, if you see in the right side or left side, that is a lot of the shop is closed because in this area is not so many bar like nightclub and restaurant open. So that's why in this area look very quiet. But we will see together how look like Raya Kuta Street beside Kuta Beach at the night time around 10 p.m. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel because you're already watching my video and subscribe my video. And please don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali every day during this pandemic corona. And also don't forget to share the videos because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali. Usually in this area before the pandemic corona is really busy because in this area there is like shopping center and also nearby the beach. You see the gate at the front? There is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. And usually in this area even in the night time is really busy because nearby Hard Rock Cafe. You see left side? There is still some people sitting beside the street. I mean like they go to Kuta Beach. Or there is a lot of car parking in this area. Still look busy. Oh no, this restaurant so empty. Yeah, I think because it's like late time for dinner. But if you see on the sidewalks, there's a lot of people walk around in this area. That is really good. And also there is a lot of motorbike parking beside the street. There is some people just go Kuta Beach. You see the car left side? There is a lot of car parking in this area. And at the front right side, there is beach walk. But yeah, beach walk is already closed because it's already 10 p.m. But if you see in the left side, there is a lot motorbike parking. And there is a lot of people going to Kuta Beach. Yeah, you see right side? There is beach walk. Look quiet because already closed. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Raya Kuta Street beside Kuta Beach. And if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali every day. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.